Hello everybody, we are going to start our journey into energy industry. So at the following videos, you can learn more about energy, lexical words in the energy, and learn some case studies. So this is our very first video, and we are going to talk about what is energy itself. So scientists define energy as the ability to do work. Modern civilization is possible because people have learned how to change energy from one form to another for a variety of things, such as to walk, to bicycle, to move cars along roads, and to move boats through water, to light our homes, to cook food on stoves, to make ice in freezers, to light our homes and offices, to manufacture products, and to send astronauts into space. There are many forms of energy. So these are the types of energy. So heat, light, motion, electrical, chemical, and gravitational. Examples. So energy can be converted from one form to another. For example, the food you eat contains chemical energy, and your body stores this energy until you use it as kinetic energy during work or play. The stored chemical energy in coal or natural gas and the kinetic energy of water flowing in rivers can be converted into electrical energy, which can be converted to light and heat. There are many different sources of energy. So I have listed here two of them: renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Renewable and non-renewable energy sources can be used as primary energy sources to produce useful energy such as heat, or they can be used to produce secondary energy sources such as electricity or hydrogen. So there are some tasks that we can do together, or just you can do it yourself. So there are some words that you can find the definitions for these words. Let's do one of them. For example, non-renewable energy, as we'll learn, this is the not able to renew. So you can do others yourself. So next task is the questions. So there are some questions that what we have learned so far. So the questions can be discussed in groups, or you can just answer to the questions yourself. So what is energy? So you can define the energy as the scientist is, and I have explained before. So, and there are matching exercises that with the pictures. So you have to match the pictures with the way the energy is used. For example, water, there is a droplet. So water in the first line can be used to make electricity in the water dams. So you can do it yourself, others. So vocabulary, so we are going to learn case studies in each our video, and you can more learn about the problem solving skills and the problems in the energy, so you can discuss with your groups, with your friends, and find some possible solutions. So firstly, before going to the case study itself, we are going to discuss the lexical units in the case study and learn more about the topic itself. So today, our case study is about solar panels and the problems connected with the solar panels. So the first one is solar panel. It's the panel that can absorb the solar rays and convert it into the energy that you use at home. So energy costs, that's the costs or money that you use to heat your home or to cool your home, and the other ways of the energy. Common problem. Common means like everybody knows about it. So that's connected with everybody. So awareness of the potential problem. Awareness means knowing the future problems. Setup is the it's about the equipment. So when you set the equipment, that's the setup. That's the noun of the verb set. Maintenance to take care of some equipment, or it can be about your home. Install to set some kind of equipment. bird droppings. That's the waste that comes from the birds. Usually that's one of the biggest problems for the solar panels. So next is the efficiency of the panels, so productivity of the panels. How efficient are you using your solar panels? Remove any debris. Debris it's a kind of waste material, so remove, that means take away the waste material. Increasingly popular. Popular means famous. So increasingly means it's becoming more and more popular, more and more famous. The last word is imperative. Imperative is the like vital and crucial to do something. So it's imperative means it's vital. So our case study, solar panels. Let's read the case study firstly about solar panels. Solar panels are becoming increasingly popular as a way to save energy costs. But there are a few problems that can occur. You are a homeowner with solar panels, and the awareness of the potential problems with their setup and maintenance is imperative. The solar panels you installed were covered with mud, dirt, and debris. There are lots of bird droppings and pollen that have accumulated on the panels. As a result, the efficiency of the panels has been reduced. You are going to suggest some efficient ways to solve the problem and to remove any debris that build up on the surface. So there are also some questions on the case study. The questions are very important while working with case studies because the questions actually can lead to your possible and optimal solutions. So the first question is, what is the problem? So you have to identify the problem firstly, and how serious is the situation. So serious, how is it like serious with the homeowners with solar panels, so the problem can be solved or cannot be solved. So, and what's the cause of this problem? So you have to identify the causes of this problem to find the good solution for this one. How it is successfully solved. So it is solved, but successfully solved, that's very different thing. So what's the best way to clean the solar panels? So you have to present some best ways, some very efficient ways to solve the problem, to clean your solar panels. And can you present some tips on how to clean solar panels? So you have to address here some tips, give some tips to the homeowners with solar panels. So while discussing this question, you may learn more about the lexical units and the problems and the topic related words and like the solutions. You can search from the internet materials and come up with the possible solution. So thank you for your attention. I hope this video will be very helpful for you and for your studies. Goodbye.